Right, Unite. Welcome to week 3 of online learning. Hopefully, everything's been going okay. Start off with lesson 1 this week. Again, our 10 quick questions. So, have a go at these 10 quick questions without your calculator. Pause the video here, complete your 10 quick questions, and then jump back online. All right, year 9, thanks for doing those 10 quick questions. Last week, we looked at SOHCAHTOA, which is the phrase that we need to remember to help us solve trigonometric problems. So last week we looked at identifying the sides of a triangle and using SOHCAHTOA to identify what relationship we have. This week, for the first few lessons, we're going to continue on with that idea. So jumping into some examples straight away. So in this question here, the question says, find the value of cos of A in the following triangle. So first thing that we're going to talk about is the same thing as we talked last time. Let's label using our structure. So our hypotenuse is definitely over here at number 5. 5 in length. Our opposite side, well, we're looking for, what was our reference angle? Our reference angle was all the way over here at angle A, cos of A in the question. So there's our reference angle, which makes 3 over here the opposite side, and it makes number 4 the adjacent side, again because it's next to the reference angle and next to the right angle. So we've labelled our triangle. Going through and writing that down, we said, let's go back to black. Our adjacent was 4, our opposite was 3. Our theta, we said our reference angle was A, and our hypotenuse is 5. So the question, I'm going to write SOHCAHTOA, and the question, remembering the question said cos or cosine of A. So cosine of A, that's our car, and you can see that we want our adjacent and hypotenuse. So I want the adjacent side, I want the hypotenuse, I'm not worrying about our opposite side. So to answer this question, cos of A is equal to, and following the order AH, so it is 4 over 5. Cool. Moving on to the next example. What is the value of sine B in the following? So again, we've got our structure there, and we're going to label our triangle exactly the same, and then we'll come back and finish off the sine B part. Alright, so our hypotenuse, so identifying our right angle's down there at C, so our hypotenuse is going to be opposite, so our hypotenuse is the square root of 58, or just in short, root 58. Our reference angle is going to be angle B, because it's denoted there in the question, so our reference angle is over here at angle B. Our opposite side is over here, and it was 3, so it equals 3. And our adjacent side is down here at 7, so that equals 7. And our reference angle, we said that was equal to B. So sine of B, so remembering SOHCAHTOA, so I should be looking up SOHCAHTOA, so SOHCAHTOA, it's O and H in that order. So sine of B is equal to 3 over the square root of 58. Alright, and then finally, example 3 here, what is the value of sine of 32 degrees? So quickly running through that again, there's our hypotenuse, sine of 32, so there's our reference angle. Our opposite side is going to be over here, and our adjacent side is there, so our hypotenuse was C, Our reference angle is 32 degrees, the opposite side was A, and our adjacent side is B. So sine of 32 degrees is equal to, remember, SOH katoa, so SOH being opposite in the hypotenuse and in that order. So we are going to go the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine of 32 is equal to A over C. All right, so your questions, there's a worksheet on the next page you need to complete. And as always, the answers will be at the end of this worksheet. So once you've done that, correct your work from the solutions, fix any errors in your working out, take a photo and submit it to Canvas. All right, guys, take it easy, and until next time.